Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing new tools and gadgets that make everyday home tasks faster, easier, and way more fun. From clever kitchen helpers to powerful cleaning devices, these are the upgrades your home deserves. Let's get started. Number 1. The electric grape peeling machine is a small kitchen device designed to simplify food preparation. It works by gently removing the thin skins from grapes, cherry tomatoes, and even garlic cloves. Instead of peeling each item by hand, you place the produce inside, close the lid, and press a button. The machine uses a 5-blade system that adjusts to the shape of the food, removing only the skin while leaving the flesh intact. This reduces waste and keeps the texture of the fruit or vegetable consistent. Because it handles soft-skinned items, it's particularly useful for recipes that require smooth, peeled ingredients, such as sauces, salads, or garnishes. Cleaning is straightforward. The peeling chamber detaches and can be rinsed underwater, while the main unit is splash-resistant. For anyone who regularly cooks with grapes, tomatoes, or garlic, this tool offers a practical way to save time and effort in the kitchen. Number 2. The stainless steel semi-automatic whisk is a simple yet clever kitchen tool designed to make mixing easier without relying on electricity or batteries. Its spring-loaded handle spins the whisk when pressed, reducing effort compared to traditional manual whisks. This design is particularly useful for tasks like beating eggs, mixing sauces, or preparing pancake batter, but it also works well for frothing drinks, stirring coffee, or blending dressings. Because it's versatile, one whisk can handle a wide range of everyday kitchen needs. Cleaning is straightforward. Warm, soapy water is enough, and it's safe to place in the dishwasher for convenience. Made from durable stainless steel, the whisk resists rust and bending, even with frequent use. For home cooks who want a reliable tool that saves time and reduces hand fatigue, this semi-automatic whisk offers a practical solution for efficient mixing in daily cooking routines. Number 3. The 2U Electric Spin Scrubber is a cordless cleaning tool designed to reduce the effort of household scrubbing. It uses a motorized brush head that rotates at speeds between 350 and 450 revolutions per minute, helping to loosen dirt and stains on surfaces such as bathtubs, tiles, grout, and kitchen counters. The device is lightweight, making it easier to handle during longer cleaning sessions, and its waterproof design, IPX7 rated, means it can be rinsed safely under running water. 4 interchangeable brush heads allow it to adapt to different tasks, from wide flat surfaces to narrow gaps. An extendable handle lets users reach high walls or clean floors without bending, which can be helpful for reducing strain. The built-in LED display shows battery status, and the Type-C charging port supports faster recharging. Overall, it's a practical option for tackling everyday cleaning jobs more efficiently. Number 4. The retractable gap dust cleaner is designed to reach places that are often overlooked during regular cleaning. With a telescoping stainless steel handle that extends from about 31 to 61 inches, it can slide under appliances, couches, or beds to collect dust and hair. The microfiber cloth cover uses split fiber technology, which creates a slight electrostatic charge as it moves, helping it attract particles more effectively. 2 cloth covers are included, allowing one to be used dry and the other damp depending on the task. They are washable and reusable, making maintenance simple. This tool is versatile enough for cleaning furniture gaps, ceilings, tiles, and even air conditioning vents. Lightweight yet sturdy, it reduces the need to bend or move heavy furniture. A loop at the end of the handle makes it easy to hang for storage. Overall, it provides a practical way to keep hidden spaces cleaner with less effort. Number 5. The pepper seed corer remover is a simple kitchen tool designed to make vegetable preparation faster and less messy. Instead of struggling with knives to remove seeds and cores, this tool uses a twist and pull motion to cleanly extract the center of bell peppers, chili peppers, and similar produce. It comes with 2 sizes, one for larger peppers and one for smaller varieties, making it versatile for different ingredients such as tomatoes, cucumbers, or even bitter melons. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during repetitive use. Made from durable materials, it withstands frequent kitchen tasks without bending or breaking. Cleaning is straightforward since it is dishwasher safe, and its compact shape allows for easy storage in a drawer. Beyond peppers, it can also be used creatively for coring apples or even hollowing cupcakes for fillings, making it a practical multi-purpose tool for everyday cooking. Number 6. The 3-in-1 cup lid gap cleaning brush is designed to tackle areas that are often difficult to reach with standard cleaning tools. It combines 3 functions in one: a hook remover for lifting seals or gaskets, a narrow slit brush for cleaning tight spaces, and a stiff bristle corner brush for scrubbing edges. This makes it useful for cleaning reusable bottles, coffee machine parts, teacups, and other items with small crevices. The brush head can rotate up to 180 degrees, allowing it to adapt to different angles and surfaces. Lightweight and compact, it can be carried easily for use at home or while traveling. The durable bristles are made to withstand repeated use without losing effectiveness, and the tool itself is simple to rinse or wash after cleaning. By reaching into gaps and corners, it helps maintain better hygiene in everyday drinkware and kitchen appliances. Number 7. The multifunctional garlic grinder and mandolin slicer is a compact kitchen tool designed to handle several food prep tasks in one device. It combines slicing, grinding, mincing, and pressing, making it useful for garlic as well as onions, ginger, and other small vegetables. Sharp stainless steel blades ensure smooth cutting and grinding, while the chamber design allows you to press garlic into a fine paste without handling it directly. This helps reduce sticky hands and lingering odors. The detachable parts make cleaning straightforward, and the included container keeps chopped ingredients contained neatly on the counter. Because of its versatility, it can replace multiple single-purpose tools, saving space in the kitchen. Durable construction means it can withstand regular use, and its compact size makes it easy to store. For everyday cooking, it offers a practical way to prepare ingredients quickly and efficiently, streamlining meal preparation. Number 8. Multi-purpose wire dishwashing rags are designed to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks in the kitchen. Made with a combination of durable fabric and fine wire mesh, they provide strong scrubbing power without the risk of scratching cookware or surfaces. Unlike traditional steel wool, these rags are gentle enough for non-stick pans yet tough enough to remove stuck-on food and grease. They can be used dry for dusting or wet for heavier cleaning jobs, making them versatile for everyday use. The scrubbing side lifts debris effectively, while the softer side can wipe down counters, stovetops, or sinks. Because they are reusable, they last longer than disposable sponges and resist fraying with frequent use. Cleaning them is simple, just rinse after use and allow to dry. With their balance of strength and gentleness, these rags are a practical option for keeping dishes, ovens, and kitchen surfaces clean. Number 9. A kitchen silverware drawer organizer is a practical way to keep utensils neat and easy to access. This version is made from bamboo and features an expandable design, allowing it to fit drawers between 10 and 15 inches wide. With 5 to 7 compartments, it provides enough space to separate forks, spoons, knives, and other cooking tools, so they're visible at a glance. The bamboo material is smooth, durable, and naturally resistant to odors, making it safe for everyday use. Because it's handmade, the surface is free of rough edges, which adds to its quality. While primarily intended for kitchen storage, it can also be used in bedrooms or offices to organize small items such as jewelry, watches, or stationery. Its compact, adjustable design makes it versatile for different spaces, helping reduce clutter and making daily routines more efficient. Number 10. The onion holder for slicing is a practical kitchen tool that helps achieve uniform cuts while keeping hands safe. It features 10 stainless steel prongs that pierce and hold the onion firmly in place, guiding the knife between them for even slices. This design reduces slipping and makes it easier to prepare onions, tomatoes, potatoes, or even citrus fruits without directly touching the food. Made from durable stainless steel, The holder resists rust and bending, ensuring it lasts through regular use. The handle is shaped for a comfortable grip, which adds stability during cutting. Cleaning is simple. Just rinse under running water or place it in the dishwasher. Because it keeps fingers away from the blade, it's especially useful for those who find chopping onions tricky or want more consistent results in meal preparation. Compact and easy to store, it's a reliable assistant for everyday cooking tasks.